Well, looking ahead to this Saturday, the Colonels visit Western Michigan for the third time in 4 years. The Broncos out of the MAC with a solid defensive effort against Michigan State in head coach P.J. Fleck's debut back on Saturday, but 4 turnovers led to 17 points for the Spartans, and a long punt return set up a field goal in a 26-13 loss in East Lansing. Starting quarterback Tyler Van Tubergen was knocked out of the ballgame in the second quarter with a concussion. He is questionable for this Saturday. Redshirt freshman Zach Terrell finished with 120 yards, 2 touchdowns, and an interception on 12 for 28 passing. He also hurt his thumb. Freshman receiver Corey Davis had a game-high 8 receptions for 96 yards and a touchdown. Coach, the game was there for the taking for Western Michigan. They played well, especially defensively.
Yeah, we watched the game. It's kind of a challenge for us this week because we have one game to evaluate, on Western Michigan because it's a new staff. So you kind of have to look at their schemes and project what else they could do out of those schemes. So that's been a challenge, but that's kind of fun in coaching to look at that. And again, they have a little bit more on us, of course, from last year and those things. But I feel like we'll be able to keep them off balance. It's going to be another loud crowd because it's their home opener. Everybody's excited, a lot of optimism. But I really believe if we can just take the things we learned last Saturday, we can be greatly improved. And I really expect us to be in the fourth quarter with a chance to win this game.
They might as well be a member of the Southland at this point. You guys play them so often.
Yeah, we enjoy going up there, though. They're first class in everything that they do. It's a nice facility, and again, just us, having some experience being up there, because I do have quite a few guys that have been up there before, players, and so I expect it to be a great football game.
I think to a man and to a woman, everybody involved with the Colonel program right now feels optimistic after the showing against Oregon and feels good about what's coming the rest of the season.
Yeah, it's I think our season is playing out, at least the schedule. I mean, we know what we're dealing with these first 3 opponents, and we set goals, and it'd sure be great to knock one of them off at least. And then also, then we get 2 home games, which would be great because traveling wears on you because you get back so late on Sunday, from our travels. But then we get a bye week before we hit the Southland Conference play, which we have 7 conference games, and the Southland Conference is very challenging anyway. So again, I think it plays out well. We came off a game other than Bo, Abear, which was a significant injury, but I feel like we just had bumps and bruises the rest of the way. So hopefully everybody have a great week of practice and we'll be ready to go.